How to see your card number on Bank of America. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this video. Firstly, launch a Bank of America mobile banking application. You need to log in into your account. Use your credential, that is a username and password or fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you are in your account, locate the account option that has the debit card or credit card option. Tap on the Accounts tab or similar depending on the update of your app's layout. Tap on Account Details or Card Details next. This might be represented by an icon or button associated with a specific card. Within the Card Details section, you will find the full card number displayed prominently, typically along with the expiration date and CVV code. If you cannot view the full card number displayed, there might be a reason. Bank of America does not actually disclose the full card number. This is because of the privacy and safety of your very own account. If there is a full disclosure of your card number, it will attract fraud, hacks, and such fraudulence to your account. So you can check out your physical card to check for your bank or your card number. However, Bank of America does not display the full number of your card. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.